Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. So ang lalaroin natin ay pick a side, left So pick a side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Attend Savior's Call for Gift Youngers. Attend Hogwarts. Siyempre, dito. Dito, guys, dito. Sa red. Left or right. So, let's go. Sila na naman. Have Jar Jar Binks from Star Wars as a sidekick. Have Robin from Batman as a sidekick. Siyempre, Batman. Ano ba guys sa inyo? Batman or Binks from Star Wars? Tayo na naman. Okay lang. Pick a side. Live in a presence of where you have access to any channel on TV. Live in library where books are only full of content. Siyempre, library where books. So, ano kayong ma-pick, guys? Left or right? Left or right? Wow, stop. Let's go to aside. Have a beautiful child with bright blue eyes. Have an active child. Okay. Dito ako. Bahala yung blue skin. Ay. Pangit ang blue skin. Wala. Ang apoy ko. Bakit naging ganito? Ayan. Shing. Parang ko sa inyo. Wala pa tayong never have to until it powers again. Never have to tayo siyempre dito. Hindi tayo nanalo, guys. Grabe naman yun. No. Okay lang. Dahil isa pa tayong nanalo. Isa lang nanalo pa natin. Wala pa tayo na ano. Leave Earth forever and live with a race. When get to meet the race of alien but to stay on Earth. Yes, dito tayo. Equip. Ganito na natin. So, dalawa na. Hoy, ano kayo siniswerte? Yay. Uy. Bilok, Skywalker, Harry Potter tayo, guys. Harry Potter. So, pangatlo dapat na mag-wins natin, guys, no? Para manalo tayo. Dapat pangatlo. Para maglaro. Harry Potter. Special. Thank you guys for watching. So, salamat sa ating paglalaro. So, nanalo na tayo ng pangatlo. So, thank you for watching. Bye-bye!